Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the Khmer font size in Telegram Messenger and what your options are for adjusting the font style, especially if you're hoping to improve readability or personalize your chats. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to make your messages and conversations easier to read and understand what's possible when it comes to customizing the way Khmer text appears in Telegram. Let's get started right inside the Telegram app. First things first, let's talk about font size. This is probably the quickest way to improve legibility, not just for Khmer, but for any language you use in Telegram. Go ahead and open your Telegram app. At the bottom or side of your screen, depending on your device, you'll see a menu. Look for Settings. Once you're in your settings, find Chat Settings on Android or Appearance on iOS. This is where all your chat customization magic happens. Now you'll see a message text size slider. Dragging this slider left or right will instantly change how big or small the text appears in both your conversations and throughout the Telegram interface. Take your time here, slide it slowly, and see what feels comfortable for your eyes. If you read long messages, bigger text can prevent eye strain, while a smaller size might fit more of the conversation on your screen. The change is immediate, so you can preview how the text looks and adjust as needed. If you're using Khmer, you'll notice the system applies the new size uniformly, making things clearer whether you're typing or reading. It's worth mentioning. Telegram relies on the default system font for specific languages like Khmer, so while you can make it larger or smaller, you won't see a dramatic change in style. Now you may be wondering, can I actually change the font style for Khmer in Telegram? Here, where things get a bit tricky. Unfortunately, Telegram doesn't include a built-in way to change the actual font face, meaning the way the letters look, just for Khmer or any particular language in its app settings. It uses whatever your device has set as the default system font for Khmer. So the unique curves or shapes of Khmer letters are determined outside Telegram, and there's currently no official switch or dropdown in the app to swap styles. If readability is an issue, making sure you have a good quality Khmer font at the system level on your device can help across all your apps, not just Telegram. Still, there are a couple of ways to add a splash of style to your messages, even if you can't change the entire font. For instance, Telegram allows some basic in-chat formatting. You can make certain words bold, italic, or even monospace. On mobile, just select the text you're writing and you'll see formatting options pop up. This works with Khmer too, though remember, it's not changing the font itself, just the text style. This can help you highlight important information, create headers, or make your message stand out in a group chat. Another approach, though a bit advanced, is to use third-party font generator tools online. These tools let you enter Khmer text and then generate cool-looking Unicode versions that you can copy and paste into Telegram. One thing to keep in mind, though, while it might look unique, these generated styles can sometimes be tricky to read and aren't a perfect solution for everyday use. Plus, this won't affect the font style of your interface or other people's messages, only the specific text you send. Think of it as adding a little flair, like using stickers or emoji rather than a full-on customization. So to sum up, you can easily increase or decrease the Khmer font size for better readability using Telegram's built-in settings. But changing the actual font style for the Khmer language isn't something Telegram offers out of the box. You can, however, play around with message formatting and experiment with font generators for added variety. Just remember to keep clarity and legibility in mind. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the most out of Telegram in Khmer. If you found this video useful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions, or if you found a creative font workaround, drop a comment below to help others out. Don't forget to subscribe to GEARKH for more tech tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.